Hello dear students, welcome back to SSC board exam practice series. This video is specially for 10th standard students, subject English, section writing skill, and the topic we are continuing today is information transfer, verbal to non-verbal. Already I have uploaded part 1 of this series. Now this is part 2 in which we are going to see some more examples of information transfer. So let us see some other examples of this topic. Read the following information and complete the table on the basis of the given points. Suggest a suitable title. Means you have to study this given information and fill up the answers in the given table. So please read this paragraph carefully at least twice. For a man, both physical as well as moral courage are necessary. There is, however, a wide difference between the two. The example of physical courage are wrestlers and racers, and the example of moral courage are found in the personalities of Swami Vivekananda and Mahatma Gandhi. Both of them had lean figure. Physical courage can be acquired through physical exercise. Mental courage can be acquired by exercising the mind, which infuses moral courage. The prerequisite for physical courage is nutrition and diet, whereas for moral courage it is a strong value system. It is a widely known fact that for cultivating of moral courage it is necessary to keep away from the desires of the material world, and to cultivate physical courage one should be always from dominating others on the basis of their physical strength. Moral courage is more powerful than physical courage. The points and the moral courage and the physical courage are given to you, acquired through prerequisite for keep away from examples. Now let us see the answer. Points. Acquired through moral courage, exercising the mind, whereas physical courage by physical exercise. Prerequisite for strong value system is for moral courage, and nutrition and diet is for physical courage. Keep away from desires of the material world is for moral courage, and dominating others on the basis of physical strength is for physical courage. Examples of moral courage are Swami Vivekananda and Mahatma Gandhi, whereas examples of physical courage are racers and wrestlers. In this manner we are completing these points, and this table will carry 5 marks. Okay, now let us see the other example. Second example, given below are some facts about the modern Olympic Games. The order of information is jumbled. Arrange the facts in order and then prepare a flow chart dissipating the information. Now this is a different type of information is given, and you have to prepare here flow chart. Okay, now let us see facts about the modern Olympic Games. First, the games begin with the arrival at the stadium of a runner carrying the torch enlightened at Olympia in Greece. Second, women athletes first completed the Olympic Games in 1928. In 1895, a French monk, Father Dion, coined a sporting slogan for the Olympic. The first modern Olympic Games were held in 1896. Fifth, 241 athletes from 14 countries competed in the first games held in Athens in Greece. 6. The games are held in different countries, in turn the host being chosen by the International Olympic Committee. Now after reading this information you have to prepare a flow chart in a proper sequence. Facts about the modern Olympic Games. In the year 1895, supporting slogans for the Olympic motto coined by the French monk Father Dion. 1896, the first modern Olympic Games are held. 241 athletes from 14 countries compete in the first games held in Athens in Greece. The games began with the arrival at the stadium of a runner carrying the torch enacted at Olympia in Greece. In 1928, the first time women athletes compete in the games, and the last one is The games are held in different countries, the host being chosen by the International Olympic Committee. In this manner we have to prepare the flowchart. Now let us see the another example. Read the given extract carefully and complete the notes. The river Nile was the life of ancient Egypt. It is still is very spring. When the snow melted in the mountains, the Nile rose in the flood and spilled across the fields, not only watering them but also leaving a fertile coat of mud. The pharaohs and the kings of ancient Egypt left many wonderful monuments which we can still see today. The pyramids and the Sphinx are the most famous of these. There are 3 large pyramids at Giza. The biggest, built for Khufu, was about 147 meters tall and was made from 2.3 million blocks of stone. Each pyramid took about 20 years to build. The ancient Egypt believed that when a person was alive, he or she had 3 souls. When the person died, the 3 souls would die too and not go to the next world if the body was not kept as it was. That is why they tried to keep the bodies of the pharaohs by embalancing them with oil and salt and wrap them with cloth and bandages to create a mummy. Now after reading this extract, we have to fill some information which is given in the list form. So let us see the answer of this. Life in Egypt, river Nile dash dash, the pyramids and the Sphinx dash dash, the mummy dash dash. Now the answer begins here. Life in Egypt, river Nile was the life of ancient Egypt, source of water and fertile soil. The pyramids and the Sphinx, built by the pharaohs of ancient Egypt. 3 large pyramids at Giza, each took 20 years to build. The biggest, built for Khufu, about 147 meters tall, made from 2.3 billion blocks of stone. Now next point is the mummy. So we have to write the answers for the mummy. Bodies of pharaohs are emblemed using oil and salt and wrapped with bandages. Now the second point for the mummies is ancient Egyptians believed that mummification ensured the 3 souls of a person would go to the next world after death. In this manner we have completed the list. Students, I would like to thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel Kids Study Fun and Food. Students, I hope you all are liking my videos. Please comment if you want me to make a video on any of your related topic. Bye everyone, stay safe, stay home and study more.